show you move of the week. We've never shown this before. Now, the thing about this move is you need some traveling distance, forward and back on the floor. So if you're in a crowded room and you can't have the space, you can't use this move. But this is a very simple move that works very well with someone that you dance with. So we hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up. First, we're going to show it to you. So we do a sugar push. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Now I want to make this off of the sugar push. We're going to do it, and then we're going to show you the finish. So we're going to go 1, 2. We're going to walk. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to anchor. Now we took small steps because we didn't want to, I'd be outside if I didn't stop walking. But that's all it is. We're just adding some walks to a sugar push, one of the basics in this dance. How do you lead it? You need a good follow first. Sugar push, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're bringing 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm pulling my left foot forward, pushing it back on the right foot. Now with the connection with your arms, leaders and followers, I'm pushing into her hands as a good follow. She pushes back. And all I'm doing is walking. I'm going to look at her, but also I may want to straighten my arms out or lean into her so she feels something new is coming. So the first step after that is 5. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we're going to walk with a 5. Okay, so again, we're going to go in 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. And then we're just going to add 6, and then 7, and then 8. Okay? So all I want to do 4, even number when you're finished, and just anchor on a triple. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, we're going to walk 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I let the tension out of my arms go so she knows it's done. So we're going to go this way so you can see her. A little bit. First time sugar push. So 1, 2. We're going to walk 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10. That's all it is. And you would think that's not that easy or that hard to learn. You'd be surprised followers aren't used to doing that. So I hope you like it. Just want to tell everybody what you do.
So my business is called Dancing with Markers, like markers I draw on the wall. And I'm actually a facilitator. I do visual facilitation in person and online. So if you're struggling with a boring Zoom meeting, please check out my website, reach out. I'd be more than happy to talk to you about our offerings and make sure that you can really have productive and engaging online meetings.
She's a very talented lady. I'm going to put all of her links in the description box. Make sure you check her out. Thank you guys for watching. We'll be back next time with a new move of the week. Until then, have a great week.
Keep dancing.
There you go.